cat. So this one's a little bit different of an application, but on a 1998 dump truck Volvo. So gonna try and attack it from the top. Got some 3 bolts and everything like that. I'm gonna take those wires off, and that's that. So I got everything off on the electrical side. Now this is a 5/8 12-point bolt. It's back here. So once you get this one and you get the other bolts off, there's another one that sits over there on the side, and then there's another one straight at the bottom. This is an easy starter, FYI. So this one's gonna be a short video. It's an easy starter, real easy to take off. So make sure you zip tie your cords so you know which ones go together. Always do that. You don't want to damage anything more. So yeah. All right, and you have the last bolt right here that I had undone, and just loosen it, and you can see that starter. It's ready to drop. All right. There we go. So here's the starter. What I always do is I check here and just check to see like how it looks on the gears. This is the part that connects to the flywheel. This is your solenoid. You have a smaller solenoid here. So this is just a starter. This was the starter that I did yesterday. So you can see here, it's a little bit more looser too though, but yeah, you have your starters. That's the old one. And this here is the new one. So it's part number. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in. So I always just inspect the flywheel right there just to make sure there's no broken teeth, nothing's weird looking and all that. That's just me. But what the heck is that? I did not let that go. Okay, moment of truth. That's weird. I didn't even step on the clutch. It's okay, but it started. Okay, so it's all good. This is the easiest starter that I've done in the past couple days, so don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys know what to do. If you liked this video or this video was helpful, don't forget to give me a super thanks. Show your support. Put a lot of time and effort in these videos. So just go ahead and leave a comment, and you can leave a super thanks, whatever, how much you want.